Hey y'all, it's Janine here, living life with a twist, and I'm going to be talking to you tonight. It's late, about something I'm passionate about. Of course, that's what I try to do every video about, but first, if you like us, like anything you see, living life with a twist, please hit subscribe, thumbs up, share, comment. I want to hear from y'all. What do y'all like? What do y'all want to see? Product reviews, this, that, the other. Tell me what this, that, the other is. Okay, so it's late tonight. I'm tired. I'm in my robe, complete with hole in the sleeve, nightgown. And for me, it means that it's time to take my makeup off. And if you went to cosmetology school with me and you're watching this video, hey girls, love y'all. I know you're like, oh, there she goes, the broken record again. Yes, I am passionate about taking your makeup off. I love makeup, wear makeup, I wear it, come on. But I take it off. And I was actually browsing through one of the news apps that I have, and I came across something and I was like, okay, definitely doing a video on this, and this is why. There was a woman in Australia who, for the past 25 years, has never removed her makeup at night when she went to bed. She got up in the shower in the morning, took her shower, put her makeup back on, and 25 years later, bam, her eyes are so red, they're so irritated that she decided, and they're runny, they're getting bad. She realizes, I gotta go to a doctor. When she goes to the doctor, what does he say to her? Have you taken your makeup off? Do you take your makeup off? And the answer was no. And so she's in Australia. They ended up taking pictures, and I downloaded the pictures, got them off, so here they are. By warning, graphic, here we go. Bam. Can you see that? I think you can. That's under her eyelid. That is mascara that has collected under her eyelid, gotten under the skin of her eyelid, and has created bumps. That's mascara. I'm going to show it to you again. That's why you need to take your makeup off. Her eyes, literally, her corneas are permanently scratched. And then they got to the point where they were pussy, runny, red, irritated, she couldn't see. In fact, they said if she kept going, she could have possibly lost her sight. Not only that, when they removed the mascara that was under her eyes, this is what it looked like under the microscope. Bam. Bam. Yeah. This is why you need to remove your makeup. I'm going to show it to you one more time because it's disgusting. Look at that. Globules of mascara under her eye, there for life. These cannot be removed, by the way, and neither can the cornea the scratches on her cornea. Those are permanent there, and that's why they put up this story, because it is a warning sign for ladies, especially now where, you know, everything is about the primer and the setter, and that's great. You need that during the day if you want that to make sure that your makeup stays on. I'm in Mississippi, so I mean, come on now. I'm wearing a primer, I'm wearing a setting spray, but I'm taking my makeup off. And I put oil on my face, I wash it, and right now it's not important what I wash with because I just came across this and I said, I gotta make a video before I do it tonight. But I also want to say this, if you go to the Dollar Tree, bam, you can get this. Keep that by your bedside, or this I got at the Dollar Tree too, to take your makeup off if you're feeling particularly lazy at night. I'm not going to say that 365 days a year I take my makeup off, but I do probably 357 to 358. That's right, folks. Yes, I do, and that's not a lie, because I just think it's gross. I'm not trying to have, I just think it's gross for me. And so I realize that there are a lot of y'all out there who are parents who you think you don't have time. It takes me 5 minutes to take my makeup off, that's it. But you know what, I understand. Your parents, you have time, or you're just feeling lazy. That's why I'm saying, get yourself one of these, keep it by your bed, and take your makeup off, ladies. Take your makeup off. Or if you're a dude and you're wearing makeup, take it off. Come on, that's gross. Once again, I'm here to shock you. This is what it looks like. That's what it looks like. Bam, gross, nasty. Look at that. That's what it looks like. That's complete with nastiness under the eye. Okay. So that's the end of my tirade, and for me, well, I'm going to the bathroom, I'm taking off all this schmutz, and then I'm going to bed. Okay, y'all, I'm done with my tirade. Please, if you like this video, subscribe, comment, whatever you want to say. I'm here to listen, and I love y'all always. Keep living that life kind of twisty. Bye.